So there's a different room service menu for Aqua and Concierge in addition to the regular one that's in the rooms. Morning delivery times are right here. Here are breakfast options. And then in-room dining, 11 a.m. to 5 a.m. Soup, salads, main courses, desserts. You can get warmed cookies and milk brought to your bed and a cheese plate. That is amazing. They have a kids menu as well. And then you can get beverages brought to your room. That is pretty amazing. Pretty amazing. The office. I feel like I need a break to the music. Do 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 do.
Who says you can't get things done on vacation?
You know. So I finally made it this way to the shops. I really can't believe though that there's like an Apple Lounge and stuff on board. No rest for the wicked. Menu. Mint chocolate martini. I might have to give that a try. Iced popcorn frappe.
Iced popcorn.
Yeah, iced popcorn. I'm not sure how I feel about that. Espressos, lattes, teas, more tea, hot chocolate. I think this is food. We've made it into food, I think. Oh, no, maybe not. I don't know what that is. International coffee. Oh, okay.
I do like the elevators here.
Yeah, they're really nice.
Deck 3.
After a turbulent morning, we've made it to the main dining room for lunch. Ooh, this is the funniest appetizer I've ever seen in my life. Like, I can't. Thank you. The hero that we needed. I'm still working on mine. Yeah.
I'm taking 2.
Nom nom nom. Steak and frites. Steak and frites.
I just know what I want.
And what do you want, Andrew?
Vanilla with hot fudge. Are you with me on Periscope?
I am not on Periscope.
Are you recording a video?
I sure am. SS United States. So what is this? Tuscan Grill. Oh, so this is that specialty restaurant. It's a cute little layout. Conference room. Oh, that's out to the staterooms. I thought that would be the conference room. I'm curious because my job, we are going to have a conference room. And there's gelato cookie sandwiches. Never. Now is the time to start the massive undertaking of curling this huge mop of hair. Should take about 45 minutes. All right, here we are on formal night. There we go. Formal night. Starters. She said it's pooping out the rice pilaf.
I don't know if you want it, but I took a picture of my food last night.
Ribeye and duck.
Cluck.
Ribeye and duck. Oh, he's got.
Oh, my wife.
Ooh, a plate of potatoes. Oh my god. Dessert time. I ordered a second dessert.
The main question is, should he be there?
I may have ordered it.
You should be in airplane mode.
And you ordered a third.
So he's...
So lovely, guys.
Your cruise director, the one, the only, it's Luigi.
All right.